Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about the insert statement in structured query language. The insert statement is used to insert single or multiple records in a table. And there are two types of insert statement: insert into statement and insert into select statement. So first of all we're going to talk about the insert into statement. So the syntax of the insert into statement is we have to write insert into and then the name of the table, and then we have to specify the values, and the values will be inserted into that table. Like an example, we have to write insert into cells and then the values, so the values will be inserted into the cells table. And also we can specify the columns while inserting the value, and the syntax is we have to write insert into and then the name of the table and then the columns where the values will be inserted, and after that we specify the values, so the values will be inserted into those columns. Like an example, we have to write insert into and then the name of the table cells, and after that we specify the name of the columns where our values will be inserted, and then after that we specify the values, so the values will be inserted into those corresponding columns. So now we're going to talk about the insert into select statement. The insert into select statement is used to copy data from one table into another table. The syntax is we have to write insert into and then the name of the destination table, and after that we have to write select star from the source table name. So the star indicate all the value, so all the value from the source table will be copied into the destination table. And also we can specify the columns where we wanted to copy our data from. And the syntax is we have to write insert into and then the destination table name and the columns where our data will be inserted, and after that we have to write select and then we have to specify the columns where the data will be copied from and then the name of the source table. So this statement will only copy the values from the source table column into the destination table column. So this is the way we can insert record in a table using insert into and insert into select statement. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.